Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. As the anticipation builds for the Sagicor Sigma 5K corporate run, the 2020 staging is set to be bigger and better. The charity event is the largest road race in the Caribbean and has raised more than $400 million in donations for over 30 beneficiaries since inception in 1999. The event can be completed by walking, running, or by wheelchair transportation. Sagicor Sigma Run is celebrating 22 years and is held under the theme Straight from the Heart. This year will see new additions to the event, which includes an online virtual run. Here to share details is Executive Director of Sagicor Foundation, Alicia White.
The newest and most exciting aspect of Sigma Run 2020 is our brand new virtual run. We're the first in Jamaica to do it. It's all the rave overseas, where persons who can't attend a 5K and want to donate to a charity and want to keep fit, they register and donate at sagicorsigmarun.com and register for My Virtual Sigma Run. Send us the time that you have done afterwards, My Sigma Virtual Run at sagicor.com, and then you would receive your finisher certificate as though you were actually there. It's fantastic.
Sagicor Sigma Run will also be hosting an after party at Emancipation Park that will feature Jamaican reggae acts.
We're going to have a more focused party. So we have 3 of Jamaica's top reggae acts who are going to be blessing us on the Sunday with their performances. This year we're very pleased that comedian and actor Ian I.T. Ellis and fitness instructor and motivational speaker Shani McGraham Shirley have decided to lend their faces and their voices to Sagicor Sigma Corporate Run. IT, in his own capacity, has tried to raise money for one of our beneficiaries, the Clifton Boys Home in Westmoreland, and he has joined so that he can push us over that $55 million mark. And Shani has been just amazing, a big part of the Sagicor family.
The event is slated for February 16. In 2019, the Sagicor Sigma Run saw a record of over 27,000 persons registered to participate in the run, which raised over $52.4 million for the Maypen Hospital's Neonatal Intensive Care Unit, the Lupus Foundation of Jamaica, and the Diabetes Foundation of Jamaica. This year, the event is hoping to raise $55 million, which will go towards their 2020 beneficiaries, the Savannah Lamar Hospital, Bustamante Hospital for Children Special Care Nursery, and the Clifton Boys Home. Now onto the international scene, where tributes continue to flow for NBA legend Kobe Bryant. Rapper Kanye West hosted a special midnight Sunday service to pay tribute to Bryant following his death on Sunday. The special service honored the life and memory of the NBA superstar who was killed in a helicopter crash that claimed the lives of 8 other people, including his 13-year-old daughter Gianna. Chance the Rapper and gospel singer Kirk Franklin were also present at the service. Reports are that Kobe and his daughter Gianna were traveling to the Mamba Academy for a basketball practice game when the private helicopter crashed, killing everyone on board. Rest in peace to all those who died. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.